for the Royal Rumble 2021. This is Fred Mighty and Sophia Lady Onikuku. Yeah. From where?
Yeah, pick up from that from
right. Okay. Very necessary. Very necessary. Okay. Right. It is very good to clean up your environment from time to time. Make sure that your house is clean. Everywhere is clean. And do not forget to always use your good night insecticide. Very necessary. Check this out. You know the interesting thing about this? You can actually spray and be inside and you are safe. Trust me, very safe. Now, it's World Malaria Day come 25th of April, and then it is very necessary for you to be clean all the time. Clean your environment and always use your good night insecticide to stay away from what? Malaria. All right, good people, you can enter into this challenge and do yours just like I've done mine now. Do yours and tag at goodnight.ng on Instagram. Do your own challenge and then trust me, there is something for you to win. My girl, enter into the challenge. Why them up way? Something good is coming your way. Bless you.